Hello, welcome to this course on studying at Japanese universities offered by the University of Tokyo. My name is Yukoi Tatsu. I'm an associate professor at the College of Arts and Sciences at the University of Tokyo, and
my name is Eugene Yaguchi. I'm professor at the College of Arts and Sciences at the University of Tokyo. Welcome.
Thank you very much for joining us today. So, Eugene, would you like to talk a little bit about the purpose of this course?
Sure. The purpose of this course is to familiarize students who are interested in studying in Japanese universities. We will be discussing and covering various programs in Japan, including English medium degree programs, Japanese medium degree programs, and exchange programs. The course should be interesting for students who are also intending to pursue advanced degrees here in Japan, such as MA and PhD.
So what should our students expect from this course?
We will be learning about Japanese universities in general, the kind of curriculum offered in Japanese schools, differences among Japanese universities because there are many schools here in Japan, application procedure, things that students should be aware of, and most importantly, you will be meeting with actual students, international students who are studying in Japan. They will be offering you with the first-hand knowledge of what it's like and how it's like to be studying here.
So both Eugene and I have been international students in the past, and we both understand very well the challenges as well as the rewards of being an international student. So we're very happy that you're considering an experience overseas to do your studying. We hope you find this course helpful.
Enjoy.